Hi, I'm Dr. David Bridgeman, and I'm a family medicine doctor who's joining Rancho Family Medical Group in the Fallbrook office. So I grew up in Los Angeles area in a little town called Arcadia. You're probably familiar with the Rose Bowl in Pasadena, so we're just east of there in the San Gabriel Valley. I went to Arcadia High, played soccer and volleyball growing up, did my college, medical school, and residency at UCLA. My wife and I came and saw a wedding in Fallbrook about 30 years ago and just fell in love with the area, and started looking for jobs in Fallbrook when I was in residency, and was recruited by Fallbrook Hospital, and ended up coming to town in the summer of 2000. And I've been practicing in Fallbrook for the last 25 years. I'm excited to be able to continue to provide care to such a close-knit community. Patients always ask me, did you always know you wanted to be a doctor? And it's funny, a funny story. When my parents moved out of our childhood home, they were kind of emptying out the garage, and they found a little plaque from when I was 9 years old, so I guess it was 4th grade. And it was, what do you want to be when you get older? And it actually says, I want to be a doctor. And there's a picture of me, with some drawings, with some, stethoscope and reflex hammer. And it says, I want to be a doctor when I grow up because I like helping people. So it's really not anything more complicated than that. I just have always enjoyed helping people, and was naturally drawn to being a physician for that reason. I'm married. I've been married for 30 years. I have two grown boys, Matthew, who's 25, and Christopher is 27. They both were born and raised in Fallbrook and went through Fallbrook High, graduated from Fallbrook High. When I'm not in the office, I like being outdoors, and that's kind of what drew me to Fallbrook. I like the rural lifestyle, so I enjoy hiking. There's a great area in Fallbrook along the Santa Margarita River. There's a bunch of trails down there, so I'm usually hiking down there 3 or 4 times a week. I enjoy gardening. I have a hobby vineyard, about 200 Syrah vines, so I tend to that frequently, and make wine with the grapes. Share that with family and friends. I've been doing that for about 15 years. I also enjoy skiing, fishing, cooking. That's kind of what I do to stay in shape. It's hiking. I probably do about 15 to 20 miles a week. Keeps me on the top of my game. I enjoy all facets of family medicine, but I have a particular interest in dermatology. I enjoy doing a lot of dermatology procedures, removing skin cancers, lumps and bumps. I also enjoy doing mental health. That's really important as a primary care physician to address mental health issues. And I also enjoy taking care of musculoskeletal conditions, anywhere from sports injuries to arthritis, tendonitis. Being a family medicine doctor, it's important to me to have continuity. I've been practicing, for 25 years now, so I've, been back when Fallbrook Hospital was open, I'd be in the, delivery room, take care of the baby, and all the way up till, someone passing in their 9th or 10th decade of life. So I really get to do the whole gamut, and it's really enjoyable. I'm fairly comfortable speaking medical Spanish, which is a big plus in the Fallbrook community. We have a large Hispanic population, so that really comes in handy. Feel comfortable speaking and doing exams in Spanish. I'm comfortable with that. I think if people come see me, they're going to get a doctor who's very caring, very knowledgeable, is going to promote lifestyle choices over medications, and basically taking care of your entire family. To finish up, this is Dr. David Bridgeman, and I'm a family medicine physician at Rancho Family Medical Group in the Fallbrook office, and I'm looking forward to taking care of you.